Hello, good morning. Do you have like 2 minutes to answer some questions?
Like exactly 2 minutes, yeah.
Okay. Can you please specify about the condition of the house? Have you done any remodeling recently?
The house is in great shape. We put new hardwood floors in about 4 years ago. We updated the cabinets and the countertops with butcher block countertops, new sink. The fireplace has been whitewashed. There's a composite deck on the side of the house for a total of 3 decks, 1 front deck, our front porch, a side porch, and a back porch. Roof's like 10, 12 years old, something like that.
Okay. It has 3 beds and 3 baths, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And so it wait a second. Is there anything else that you want to tell us about the property? Are you currently living in it?
Yeah, I'm currently living in it just like I was last week.
Okay. And so do you have any ballpark in your mind? Like you said, 300?
Yep, that's it.
Okay. And is that negotiable? Because we pay all the closing costs and we pay all offer in cash. Like, is it negotiable, sir?
It might be a little bit.
Okay. And can you please specify the amount? Like, how much? That would be easy for me to do the comms.
The absolute bottom dollar is going to be $275.
275, right?
Absolute bottom dollar will not take a penny less.
Okay. And you're saying it would be 275 would be the last, right?
That's the absolute bottom dollar, yes.
Yeah, okay, I get it. Thank you so much, sir, for your time. I'll do my comms and then I'll get back to you. What is the best time to contact you back?
Whenever, just call whenever.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye.
You too, bye.